title, Mind-Blowing Facts You Didn't Know About the Universe. Introduction. Background music playing softly. Opening shot. A serene view of the night sky filled with stars, slowly zooming out to reveal the Earth in the vastness of space. Host VO, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mysteries of the universe, uncovering mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. Segment 1, the scale of the universe. Cut to animation showing the scale of the universe, from the smallest particles to galaxies. Host, on screen. Did you know that if the sun were the size of a white blood cell, the Milky Way galaxy would be the size of the United States? That's just the beginning of how vast our universe truly is. Segment 2, black holes. Cut to visuals of swirling black holes with scientific diagrams. Host, VO. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuums. They bend space and time itself. The gravitational pull is so intense that not even light can escape. Segment 3, cosmic microwave background in radiation. Cut to an artist's representation of cosmic microwave background radiation. Host, on screen. The universe whispers its history through cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow left over from the Big Bang. Studying it reveals clues about the universe's infancy. Segment 4, dark matter and dark energy. Cut to visuals illustrating dark matter and dark energy. Host, VO. Scientists estimate that only about 5% of the universe is made up of ordinary matter. The rest is a mysterious blend of dark matter and dark energy, whose properties continue to elude us. Segment 5, exoplanets. Cut to animations of different exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Host, on screen. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets beyond our solar system, some in habitable zones where life as we know it could potentially exist. Segment 6, the fate of the universe. Cut to a simulation showing the possible fates of the universe. Host, VO. One of the most mind-blowing facts about the universe is its eventual fate. Will it continue expanding forever, or will it eventually collapse in a big crunch? Scientists are still debating. Conclusion. Closing shot, a montage of stunning cosmic imagery. Host, on screen. The universe continues to surprise and challenge us with its sheer scale and complexity. We've only scratched the surface of its secrets. What mind-blowing fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. End screen with subscribe button and links to more videos. Host, VO, fading out. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious.
Outro.
Background music fades out. End of script. This script should effectively capture the wonder and intrigue of the universe, while engaging the audience with fascinating facts and visuals.